Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to hide a text in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to hide the text, select a part of the text with the leftmost button, then right click and select the font. In the window that opens, select Hidden and click OK. And as you can see, the text is hidden. To do this quickly, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-H and the text is also hidden. To see all the hidden text, click on the Show Hide button here, and the text appeared, and we can recognize it with this dotted underline. To return all the hidden text to its normal state, for example, we don't know if there is hidden text in the document, we select the entire text using Ctrl-A keys, and then right-click and select the font option. And in the window that opens, to cancel the hidden text, you need to double-click on the hidden checkbox, and after clicking OK. All the hidden text will appear on the screen. Or you can do the same through the Options menu. Click on File, Options, Display, and here select the hidden text checkbox. Click OK. And now the hidden text will always be shown just like the regular text, and you won't be able to hide anything anymore. And finally, sometimes you need to delete all the hidden text. If this is a very large document, then the manual method is not suitable for us. It's better to do the following. Click the File, Info, check for issues, Inspect Document, and in this window select the Inspect Document for Hidden Text checkbox and click Inspect. After a few seconds, all the hidden text is found and you can remove it. Just be careful that removed text cannot be returned after clicking this button. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.